Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. The Department of Town and Country Planning for the calendar year 2019 had received a total of 401 rezoning applications. The Western Division had the highest number of rezoning applications, where Town and Country Planning received about 166 applications, closely followed by the Central Eastern Division with 157 and 68 for the Northern Division. So we can see there is a lot of applications being received by Town and Country Planning for rezoning. Mr. Speaker, sir, while these statistics are a good indicator to gauge a number of land development-based investment, however, there is a need to streamline land use and future growth of strategic areas in the country to ensure that both foreign and local investors are not subjected to cumbersome processes. Mr. Speaker, sir, to address the issue of timelines and to support the ease of doing business objectives, the government has engaged the services of the Singapore Corporation Enterprise, who are in the process of refining the concept master plan for the Greater Suva, Nadi and Lautoka areas. Once completed by mid this year, this dynamic and long-term planning document will provide a blueprint to guide future growth and development up till 2075. Mr. Speaker, sir, the master plan will definitely identify land use for agriculture, commercial, industrial, residential, tourism-related activities, and where it is best located. So this will require a lot of data analysis, and various old plans needs to be taken out, studied before the areas are identified for various land use purposes. Growing population not only need land for housing, but for manufacturing and doing business as well. There is a shortage of such land which will require land to be rezoned from rural to urban use and also to be subdivided into different allotments. Mr. Speaker, sir, upon the completion of the master plan this year, work on the revision of the outdated town planning scheme for municipalities such as Suva, Nadi and Lautoka can commence. Normally the city and town schemes are valid for 20 years. Suva and Lautoka town planning, or you can call it city schemes, are really old. The last time it was done was in the year 1978. Until now, the schemes are not updated. And that's why there is a demand for large number of rezoning to be done. Similarly, Singatoka, the last scheme plan that we have was done in 1977. So really, these are totally outdated scheme plans. And we can only renew or revise the schemes based on the master plan that is being done. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving me the floor.